Do your oil painting brushes look like this? Are you tired of spending a fortune on brushes? This may not be what you want to hear, but it will save you money and time. I don't know about you, but I personally use 5 to 6 brushes when I paint a painting. At the end of a painting session, I always rinse my brushes in mineral spirits, then wipe the excess moisture off with a paper towel and leave them to dry. When only using this cleaning method, the paint near the ferrule is never completely removed. Instead, it collects and dries, making the brushes lose their flexibility needed to get that nice painterly stroke. In the long run, I spent more time and money trying to make my brushes pliable again than if I had washed them properly to begin with. Here are some key points I found works best for me. After initially rinsing and drying the excess paint out as before, without thinking about how tired I was, as soon as the sink was nearby, I again washed the brushes out, this time with soap. I use lukewarm water, and I start with a good liquid dishwashing detergent. I squeeze a little bit at the bottom of the sink and begin to flip the hairs back and forth as I apply pressure on the ferrule so the hairs can separate. This releases the pigment near this metal portion of the brush. I keep doing this until I no longer see remnants of paint. When clear of pigment, I give the brush a second cleaning with a brush cleaner and preserver that is especially made to wash out painting brushes. Once done, I take my thumb and index finger and with a downward motion squeeze out as much of the water as I can. The brush cleaner seems to put just enough oil back into the hairs they need to keep their shape and flexibility I like. I find this two-step process saves me both time and money. Here's another tip that was passed on to me by a wonderful artist named Morgan Samuel Price. After washing, I take the brushes and lay them flat against the middle pages of a telephone book. In the morning, the hairs will be shaped like new and thoroughly dry for another painting session. I hope this video gave you something of value. If you have some comments, please let me hear them, either by text, email, or through my website at anitahampton.com. I hope to see you in the next video, and until then, keep painting.